everyone, it's Kim the Homeschooling Grammy and Whoopie, and we are going to do a science experiment today.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's get started. We are going to do color changing jellyfish, and basically what this is, I'm going to read you what the science is behind all of this little bit of experiment. How can you tell if something is an acid or an alkaline base? Acids usually taste sour, while alkalines feel slippery and often taste bitter. But since we can't go around tasting everything, I don't want to be tasting everything. Scientists use a pH scale to measure how acidic or alkaline something is. So we're going to be doing color changing jellyfish. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? Yeah. I think so. Okay, so I'm going to move this down so y'all can see better. Okay, so we have everything that we need. We have some vegetable oil. We have our 3 scoops, the small, medium, and large scoops. We have our red cabbage powder. We have our baking soda.
Grammy, what is a cabbage?
We have some scissors. We have our beaker, our pipettes, and our 2 containers. So I already ahead of time put the water in the containers, since that way we wouldn't have to go back and forth. So the first thing that we need to do is fill the first clear cup 2/3 full of water. So that's what we've done. So it's filled 2/3 of the way up. And it says to add 1 medium scoop of baking soda to the water and stir until the powder is dissolved. And this is going to be your base solution. So, okay, Hope. So I need you to get the medium scoop. I'm going to open this up while you grab your medium-sized scoop. So which one's the medium?
Right here.
No. Look at the 3. Which one's the medium? All 3 scoops. Which one's the medium size?
This.
Yes.
This one.
That's right. The medium-sized one. So you're going to put 1 scoop, 1 medium scoop into the water. So get a medium-sized scoop, kind of like bang it like this. So you get, all right, good enough. So you're going to put that in there. Yep, now you're going to stir it. Stir it up really good. All right, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 10 milliliters of vegetable oil with the beaker and add it to our cup of water. All right, so that's good. Good, and so you're going to put 10 milliliters of oil. So see where the 10 is? Yep. So you're going to open up that and you're going to put in 10 milliliters of oil. I'll open it for you. I'll use the old lady muscles just for you, darling. Here you go. So go ahead and you're going to put in 10 milliliters. Here, want me to hold it for you? Yeah. Okay, so just 10.
Okay.
You got the 10? My old lady eyeballs is trying to see. It looks like it. So now it says add that to the thing of water.
This thing?
Yep. Pour it in there. Pour it right on in there. All right, so then it says we are going to do in the other clear cup mix 20 milliliters of water. So I already did that as well. So we already have our 20 milliliters of water. I figured it would save time and a step. And what it says for this one, you're going to put 1 small scoop of the red cabbage powder. So which one is your small scoop?
Right here.
That's right. And you're going to put
Look at how tiny this is.
It is tiny. And you're going to put in 1 small scoop of this into that water. So just 1 small scoop. Make sure you level it off. Kind of like shake it around a little bit. All right, that should do it. All right, stick that on in there.
Whoa.
This is your pH indicator solution.
Can I stir it around?
Sure. All right.
That looks like blood.
It does kind of look like blood. All right. Put that over there. So here you go. Here's this is our cabbage water, and this is also called the pH indicator solution. So now you're going to fill the pipette with the pH indicator solution. So take in a big swig of that. Fill the pipette really good. Like take it, yeah, there you go. Perfect. Okay, you can bring it out of the there. Then it says,
put it in
wait a minute. Let's read the directions, darling. Use the pipette to slowly drop the indicator solution onto the surface of the oil. So you're only going to put it on the surface of the oil. So let's do this so that they can see what you're doing. Wait a minute. And then you're going to watch as the purple droplets sink into the oil. Once the droplets touch the base solution, they will diffuse into the shape of a jellyfish and change color from purple to blue. So, all right, go ahead. Just put one drop of the, keep putting little drops on the top. All right, more drops on the top in different places, all over. And put it everywhere. Okay, that should be good. So now it says we're going to watch. So let's see what happens. It may take some time.
Grammy, one is going to the bottom.
Is one going? Oh yeah, see, they're slowly moving their way down. Let's see if they change color. They're supposed to change from
Purple to blue.
To blue, because you're going from watch the purple droplets sink into the oil in the science magic. Once the droplets touch the base solution, they're going to go from purple to blue. So right now, they're making their way down, but once they hit the base solution, they're going to change color. Let's wiggle it. Come on down.
It's not coming.
All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to pause so y'all don't have to, it's like watching paint dry. So what we're finding is that it's just kind of sitting on top of the oil.
Because it's stubborn.
Yeah, it's like not sinking into the bottom, which it's supposed to do, which I'm not sure why it's not doing that. But it's sitting on the top of the oil. But we did notice, now, if we take, instead of putting the drop on the oil, like the center, if you look at the center here, there's a whole ring here in the middle that there's water. The oil seems to have settled like around the perimeter. So if you drop this purple solution into the middle, pink. It does turn blue. See? I'll do it again. You can see how it turns blue in the middle. Like immediately goes from...
Whoa! Now I saw that. That was jellyfish.
Yep. So...
Why don't you use all of it? There's like hardly...
So for whatever reason, it will turn purple this way, but it won't, like these bubbles here that we created on the oil, for whatever reason, they sit on top of the oil. But yeah, there you go. So it is kind of cool. Okay, so it didn't work exactly like it said it was supposed to work. But what we did find out is that if we dropped the cabbage water, which was acidic, into the base, which was the baking soda, that we could get it to turn purple. But like I said, like even now she's dropping onto the top, and now it's turned the water blue, or like a bluish purple. But as you can see, you know, she's been dropping new ones, but it just sits on top of the oil. Like it never seems to go down into the rest of the solution unless we purposely put it into the rest of the solution, because the oil has, like I said, made a perimeter around. But that was pretty cool. You know, gave us a little bit of information on acids and bases. And was it fun anyway?
Yeah.
It was fun anyway. You know, live and learn. God bless. Take care, and we'll talk to you in the next